every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Good morning, ground. Cherokee 6393 Whiskey.
Cherokee 6393 Whiskey, Paragon.
Cherokee 6393 Whiskey is at spot 12, requesting flight following to Vero Beach. Victor Romeo Bravo. We are PA 28, requested 1,500, and we have India.
Cherokee 6393 Whiskey, runway 28 left, taxi via Lima, Miami departure frequency 128.6, squawk 4611.
Taxi via Lima 28 left, 128.6, 4611 in the box, 93 Whiskey.
Cherokee 93 Whiskey, read back is correct.
Northway Tower, Cherokee 6393 Whiskey, holding short 28 left for a northwest departure.
Number 6393 Whiskey, Perry Tower, straight out departure, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff.
Straight out departure, clear for takeoff 28 left, 93 Whiskey. Fuel pump on, mixture rich, doors latched, seatbelt secured, one notch of flaps, stay.
Number 7 Mike Sarah, follow the Cessna off your right, entering the downwind.
Looking for the Cessna, 67 Mike Sierra.
Number 63 Echo,
Airspace
runway
alive.
28 right, cleared lane.
63
Temperatures
Echo,
in the
28 right,
green.
clear land.
And 60, rotates.
Operator, word of the first 65605, hold the short west left and ready for departure.
Positive rate of climb.
Number 65645, Perry Ground, straight out departure, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff.
Straight out departure to left, here for takeoff 65645.
Number 903 Whiskey, contact Miami departure.
Miami departure, have a good day, 93 Whiskey. Miami departure, Cherokee 6393 Whiskey, off of North Bay Airport, 700 feet for 1,500.
Cherokee 6393 Whiskey, Miami departure, ident, maintain VFR, continue westbound.
Ident, continue westbound, 93 Whiskey.
Number 903 Whiskey, radar contact 2 west of North Ferry at 1000, altimeter 2996.
906, 93 Whiskey. Palm Beach approach, Cherokee 6393 Whiskey has Vero in sight.
93 Whiskey, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change, 93 Whiskey.
Cherokee 93 Whiskey, make left traffic runway 22, report midfield downwind and reduce your airspeed. You're following a Cherokee. They're on about a 2.5 mile final for 30. They're going to be circling for left traffic.
Okay, 93 Whiskey, left traffic 22, slow down, report midfield. 93 Whiskey.
Cherokee 93 Whiskey, extend downwind, I'll call your base.
Extend down when you call my base, 93 Whiskey.
November 93 Whiskey, you're keeping a really tight downwind, just widen it out a little bit and extend.
Widen out and extend, 93 Whiskey.
Cherokee 903 Whiskey, turn base, continue, you're following a 7 mile and a half final.
Turning base, 93 Whiskey.
Yeah, I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run.
9-3 Whiskey, just continue towards the runway. Traffic will be holding in position.
Roger that, 92.
I'm coming home.
Flight 209, runway 22, line of await to traffic, Cherokee, 2 mile final. November 9-3 Whiskey, runway 22, clear to land.
Clear to land. Runway 22, 93 Whiskey.
I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster, hurry, make it happen, forward.